Hello. Sir, మీ మైక్ ఆఫ్ ఉంది సార్.
Sir, you make off wrong, sir. Hello, sir. Sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
సార్ మీ మైక్ ఆఫ్ లో ఉంది సార్. సార్
హలో.
హలో సార్.
ఇక మెసేజ్ చేయాలి సార్కి.
చేస్తున్నా ఒక నిమిషం.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి సార్.
ఏ పూలే సార్ ప్లీజ్ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైక్ సార్.
ఒరే నువ్వు మాట్లాడక సైలెంట్ గా ఉండు, నేను ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నా.
చెయ్యి.
Okay. The law t square plus 1 whole square. Now expand t square plus 1 whole square as a plus b whole square. Here a equal to t square and b equal to 1. First a square, t square whole square plus 2 into t square into 1 plus b square 1 square. So t square whole square equal to t power 4 and 2 into t square into 1 that equal to t square plus 1 square equal to 1. Finally, we are applying the Laplace to t power 4 plus 2t plus 1. L of t power 4 plus 2t square plus 1. By using linearity property, here three functions of t in between plus. So it is possible to separate the Laplace operator to each and every term and write constant terms in outside. First term, L of t power 4. Here there is no constant term plus here 2 is constant L of t square plus last term L of 1. We know these some results of Laplace transform. Yesterday I explained that formulas are L of t power n. L of t power n has two formulas. One is n factorial by s power n plus 1 and second one is gamma of n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. Here t power n, here n is a positive integer, then taking first formula n factorial by s power n plus 1. Suppose n is fraction, then go to second formula, that is gamma of n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. Here all terms are in positive n terms, so we taking the formula n factorial by s power n plus 1. So L of t power n equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1. First applying the t power 4. So here n is 4. So L of t power 4 is 4 factorial by s power 4 plus 1. And the second term 2 is constant. Here applying L of t square, n is 2. So 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1. And finally, we know the formula, first formula of Laplace transform, L of 1 equal to 1 by s. So 1 by s. Now simplify the equation. 4 factorial equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by s power 5. 2 factorial equal to 2. So 2 into 2 s cube plus 1 by s. So 24 by s power 5 plus 4 by s cube plus 1 by s is the required answer. My voice clarity on that?
ఎస్ సార్ క్లారిటీగానే ఉంది.
Okay. Next problem. So second problem is L of e power minus at minus 1 by a. First we check the property, linearity property is possible or not. Here two functions are in Laplace function. One is e power minus at and another one is constant 1. So it is possible to apply a linearity property. In linearity property, first we write the constant term in the outside. So here 1 by a is a constant. So first we write the constant term 1 by a, then L of e power minus at minus 1. And to separate the Laplace transform to two functions, first one is e power minus at and second one is 1, because the linear property is applicable for the function in between either addition or subtraction. Here e power at and minus 1 have minus. So to separate Laplace to first function L of e power minus at, the common combination is minus and the L of second function is 1. Now applying the formulas, general formulas of Laplace transform, we know that L of e power at and L of e power minus at, this is the third result of the Laplace transform. Yesterday I explained 8 results with proofs. So first one is L of 1 that equal to 1 by S. Second one is L of e power at that equal to 1 by S minus A. Here minus is a multiple of A, then getting answer plus A. So reverse of the answer. So e power minus A, the answer is S plus A. 1 by S plus A. Suppose e power at, here A multiple is plus, then we write minus in the multiple of A. So here minus A in question, so we write the answer plus A. So e power minus at equal to 1 by S plus A. And the first formula of the Laplace transform, we know that L of 1 by equal to 1 by S. This is the required answer. So totally, we're getting the answer 1 by A into 1 by A into 1 by S plus A minus 1 by S. Is this third result of the Laplace transform? It is the first result of the Laplace transform. So 1 by A is the constant. This is the second problem. Then go to third problem. So the third problem is very, very important. L of sin 2t and cos t. Observe that, is it possible to apply linearity property? Is it possible? No, because the linearity property is separate, either combination plus or minus, but sin 2t into cos 2t in the product into not separate the Laplace transform on both function. So what we do? First, we find out the formula of sin 2t and cos t using trigonometric basic formulas. So observe that sin A, first angle and second angle both are different. So sin A cos B, I assume the formula of sin A cos B taking 2 on left hand side. We know that the formula of 2 sin A cos B is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Why we are using the trigonometry formula? Because the linearity property is not applicable for the given problem. So that's why we convert the given problem into linearity property condition. That's why I using the formula of trigonometry. So 2 sin A cos B equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Comparing the formula left hand side and the given problem. Observe that here A equal to first angle. The first angle is a sine angle, that is 2t, and the second angle B is t. Substituting A equal to 2t and B equal to t in the above formula. Now we are getting sin of A plus B. So sin of 2t plus t plus sin of A minus B sin of A minus B, 2t minus t. So sin of 2t plus t, that equal to sin 3t. Sin of 2t minus t, that equal to sin t. So sin 3t plus sin t. Here 2 dividing 2 on both sides, then we getting sin 3t plus sin 2t, sin t by 2. Substituting these resulting value into the given problem. Now the problem is converted into L of sin 3t plus sin t divided by 2. So it is possible to apply the linearity property. In the condition of linearity property, first we write the constant term in the outside. Here 1 by 2 is a constant term. So I write 1 by 2 in square brackets L of, to separate the Laplace operator to both functions. So first function is L of sine 3t plus second function is L of sine t. We know that the formulas of L of sine at, we know that L of sine at, it is the combination of A and S. So denominator is second order S square plus A square. In numerator, we write either S or A. In left hand side, in sine function, S is available, then the opposite value is A. So sine of AT formula is A by S square plus A square. In the first Laplace function L of sine 3t, here A equal to 3. So the formula applied to the first function, then getting the result L of sine 3t equal to 1 by 2 into L of sine 3t equal to 3 by S square plus 3 square. Here A equal to 3. And second function L of sine t. Here there is no multiple of t. So we taking multiple as 1. So here A equal to 1. 1 by S square plus 1 square. Finally, the result value is 1 by 2 into S square plus 9 plus 1 by S square plus 1. So 1 by 2 into 3 by S square plus 9 plus 1 by S square plus 1. Taking LHS, find the LCM of RHS, S square plus 9 into S square plus 1. So here 3 into S square plus 1, here 1 into S square plus 9. Now simplify the RHS value, multiplying 3 into S square plus 1, that is 1 by 2 into 3S square plus 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 into S square plus 1 into 9, 9 by, so no need to multiply the denominator, S square plus 9 into S square plus 1. Now the numerator is 3S square plus S square, 4S square plus 3 plus 9, 12 by denominator S square plus 9 into S square plus 1. So common to 2 in the numerator, because here 1 by 2 constant is available. So we cancel the first, the denominator constant 2. So that's why I common 2 in the numerator term. So 2 in common 4s square, that equal to 2s square. So common 2 in 12, that equal to 6 divided by S square plus 9 and S square plus 1. So numerator 2 and denominator 2 is cancelled. The final resulting value of the given problem, L of sine 2t into cos t is 2s square plus 6 by S square plus 9 into S square plus 1. This is the required answer. Okay, this problem is very important. First, what we do, the given problem is not in the linearity property format. So sin 2t cos t, it is not possible to apply the linearity property. Why? If both terms are in multiplication. So linearity property is applied only either addition or minus subtraction combination, not in multiplication, not in division. So that's why I applying the some trigonometric basic formulas to convert the sin 2t into cos t multiplication product into some addition. That's why I'm taking 2 sin A cos B formula. Observe that the both angles are different. First angle is 2t and second angle is t. That's why I choose the formula 2 sin A cos B. The formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Substituting the angles A equal to 2t and B equal to t, then getting sin 2t plus t that equal to sin 3t plus sin 2t minus t that equal to sin t. So multiplication combination is converted into addition combination, that is sin 3t plus sin t. Now it is possible to apply the linearity property. First we write the constant term 1 by 2 and applying Laplace transform in both functions and applying the third result of the formulas. Okay, next fourth formula. Fourth problem. The fourth problem is, this problem is also important. Yesterday I explained the sequel of the problem. Yesterday I explained cos cube t, but today cos cube 2t. So L of cos cube 2t. We have the 8 results, but in the 8 results, L of cos AT formula is available. L of cos AT equal to S by S square plus S square. But cos cube AT formula is not available. So using trigonometric formulas, first we convert cos cube 2t into first order trigonometric functions. So we convert the cos cube 2t here, third order trigonometric function. So we convert cos cube 2t into first order trigonometric functions using the basic trigonometric formulas. So what is the basic trigonometric formula? We know that cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. I need that 4 cos cube a term. 4 cos cube a. So 4 cos cube a equal to adding 3 cos a on both sides. So in right hand side minus 3 cos a plus 3 cos a cancel. In left hand side cos 3a plus 3 cos a. Or sent minus 3 cos a in left hand side, that is plus 3 cos a. We know that cos 4 cos cube a equal to cos 3a plus 3 cos a, but we have to need cos cube a. So divide 4 on both sides. We getting the formula cos 3a plus 3 cos a by 4. Okay, what is the formula of cos cube a? Actually, the formula is not available. We solving the formula from the cos 3a. We know that cos 3a formula is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. We need the formula for 4 cos cube a. So adding 3 cos a on both sides, minus 3 cos a plus 3 cos a cancel. 4 cos cube a equal to cos 3a plus 3 cos a. So dividing 4 on both sides, cos cube a equal to cos 3a plus 3 cos a by 4. Substituting these value in the given problem. Here a equal to the angle of cos. In the question, the angle is 2t. So a equal to 2t. So replace a equal to 2t in the solving formula and substituting in the given problem. So finally, L of cos cube 2t is equal to L of cos 3a, 3 into 2t plus 3 cos a. 3 into cos a means 2t by 4. Now it is easily apply the linearity property because here two functions of t, one is cos 60 and another one is cos 2t. Both are in plus combination. So the linearity property is possible to apply the two functions, and first we write the constant term in the outside. Here 1 by 4 is a constant term. So 1 by 4 into L of first term multiplying 2 into 3t, that equal to cos 60 Here 3 is constant. Second term L of cos 2t. So what is the formula for L of cos AT? Cos AT equal to, it is a combination of A and S. So denominator is A square plus S square. In the numerator, we write either A or S. In the left hand side, the function cos starts from C, not S. So we taking S. So cos AT formula is S by S square plus A square. In the first function, A value 6. In the second function, A value is 3. So both are functions converted in the resulting formula S by S square plus A square. So 1 by 4 into S by S square plus A square. A square means 6 square plus 3 into second function S by S square plus A square, that equal to 2 square. Now simplify the equation. Taking LCM on right hand side. So 1 by 4 into S square plus 6 square, that equal to 36, and S square plus 2 square, that equal to 4. So the LCM of the right hand side is S square plus 36 into S square plus 4. Cross multiplication 3 into S square plus 4 plus here S is common term, and 3 into 3 into S square plus 36, that equal to, so S is a common term in the numerator, so I common S in numerator, S by 4 into S square plus 4 into 3 into S square plus 36. Now simplify the equation and getting the required answer. Plus 3S square plus 108 by S square plus 36 into S square plus 4. So S square plus 3S square, that equal to 4S square. S by 4 into 4S square plus 108 plus 4. So that equal to 112 by S square plus 36 into S square plus 4. So common to 4 in the numerator, four S by 4 into S square plus 28 by S square plus 36 into S square plus 4. Finally, 4 cancel. S into S square plus 28 by S square plus 36 into S square plus 4 is the required answer. Okay. Once again, I briefly explain the problem because it is very important problem. First, L of cos cube 2t is the given problem, but it is not possible to apply the Laplace transform to cos cube 2t. We know that L of cos AT only first order is possible of trigonometry functions, either sine or cos, not possible square or cube, because here cos cube 2t is given. So we convert the third order trigonometry function into the first order trigonometry function using trigonometry formulas. So what formula we use? So the basic formula of cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. We need cos cube term. So 4 cos cube in left hand side. So adding 3 cos A on both sides, minus 3 cos A plus 3 cos A cancel, cos 3A plus 3 cos A. So dividing 4 on both sides, we getting the result of the given formula is cos A cube A equal to cos 3A plus 3 cos A by 4. So here the angle of the given problem is 2t, replacing A by 2t and applying the Laplace transform, and simplify the 1 by 4 also. Simplify the 1 by 4. Okay. Next problem. So the fifth problem is sin t plus cos t whole square. Sin t plus cos t is whole square. Is it possible to apply Laplace transform directly? No, it is not possible because here square is available. That's why first we expand the sin t plus cos t whole square in the first order trigonometry functions, then apply the linearity property, we getting the answer. So first to take sin t plus cos t whole square. Expand the sin t cos t whole square as a plus b whole square. In the a plus b whole square, first term a square. Here a is sin t, so sin square t plus b square. B means cos t, cos square t plus 2ab. So 2 sin t cos t. In the first two functions, observe that sin square t plus cos square t, we know that sin square t plus cos square t equal to 1 using the important basic formula of the trigonometry. And the second one also very, very important formula of the trigonometry, that is 2 sin t cos t. We know that 2 sin theta cos theta. Here both angles are same. Both angles are different. We go to 2 sin A cos t. Before problem already we use sin A cos B formula. Observe that here the both sin angle and cos angle both are same. That's why we're taking 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A, that equal to sin 2A. Here angle is t, so replacing a by t, 2 sin t cos t, that equal to sin 2t. So the given problem is sin t plus cos t whole square is not possible to apply Laplace transform directly. So we expand the sin t cos t whole square as a plus b whole square. After expanding the a plus b whole square, observe that two resulting equations sin square t plus cos square t equal to 1, and the second is 2 sin t cos t is converted as sin 2t. So the result value is possible to apply linearity property. So we taking sin t plus cos t whole square by 1 plus sin 2t. So the given problem is L of sin t plus cos t whole square. Now we solving it 1 plus sin 2t. Apply the linearity property to separate Laplace transform to both functions. First one is L of 1, there is no constant term. Second one is L of sin 2t, here also no constant term. The first result of the Laplace transform 1 by L of 1 equal to 1 by s. And the Laplace transform trigonometry function L of sin at, L of sin at formula a by s square plus a square. Here the angle a is multiple of t, that equal to 2. So replace a by 2. So 2 by s square plus 2 square, that equal to 1 by s plus 2 by s square plus 2 square means 4. Here no need to simplify the LCM because there is no constant term in the outside. So this is the required answer. No need to find out of LCM. So here there is no constant term. That's why we didn't find LCM. Okay. Next problem. I'm sharing the document. Observe that in the examples, the first problem, t square plus 1 whole square solved, and e power minus at minus 1 by a is also simplified, sin 2t cos t, and cos square h, cos h square 2t. So we know that cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So cos square h2t is right as 1 plus cos 2 into 2t by 2. So it is finally 1 plus cos 4 h t by 2, or 1 plus cos h one plus cos h 4t by 2. Now apply the linearity property on both functions and write the constant term 1 by 2 in outside. 1 by 2 into L of 1 plus L of cos h 4t. Apply the results of Laplace transform. So first result of the Laplace transform, L of 1 equal to 1 by s, and the second trigonometry function result is L of cos ht. Hyperbolic means the combination of denominator is minus s square minus a square. In the numerator is s. Because the first letter of cos is c, so we write the opposite, yes. So 1 by 2 into 1 by s plus s square minus a square is the required answer. Then go to next problem. Here some exercise problems are there. I ticked some problems. You do it homework, and answers also below in the questions. Okay, these 5 problems noted as homework problems. 1, 4, 6, 14, and 17. Okay. Next topic is, next topic is the first shifting theorem of the Laplace transform. Just we completed linearity property. What is the linearity property, and how to apply the linearity property to the problems completed. Then the next topic is first shifting theorem. Though the statement of the first shifting theorem is, we know that L of f of t equal to f bar of s. This is the common statement. Then L of e power at into f of t equal to f bar of s minus a. In the last topic, there is no two functions of t in multiples. So it is not possible to apply the linear property in the two functions in multiplication position. So, but here some function is fixed. So e power at is left hand side and the right hand side function is f of t. It is possible. So e power at as a first function and the remaining functions are in right hand side is possible in the first shifting. Then first we apply L of f of t, then getting the answer f bar of s. Now replacing s by s minus a, That is the formula of the first shifting theorem. So here the resulting value s replaced by s by s minus a. For example, in the given problem, if the left hand side function e power minus 8 is available, then replace s by s plus a. Every function in question we write the opposite function. So e power minus 80 is available in the question of f of t, then we getting the answer f bar of s, then replace s by s plus a. So minus a in question, we apply plus a in the answer to s. So the formula of the first shifting theorem is L of f of t equal to f bar of s. This is the basic condition. The left hand side of the function f of t is e power at. The left hand side function of f of t is e power at. It is treated as first shifting. So L of e power at into f of t. Then we write the resulting value f bar of s as s tends to, here plus a is available, so we write opposite minus a. So finally f bar of s minus a. For example, in the question in minus a, so we write s tends to s plus a, that equal to f bar of s plus a. We calculate two simple problems. Okay. Observe that in the second problem, L of e power minus t into cos square t. L of e power minus t into cos square t. L of e power minus t into cos square t. So first we check, is it possible to apply the linearity property? Linearity property apply cheyadam possible avutunda? No, it is not possible because the two functions are in multiplication position. Multiplication లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మనం linearity property apply చేయడానికి అవ్వదు. Then go to second property. The second property name as first shifting theorem. How to identify the first shifting theorem? The function left side or right side, the function is a one multiple is e power at. మనకున్న ఫంక్షన్ లో ఒక మల్టిపుల్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ పవర్ 80 ఫార్మేట్ అయి ఉండాలి. రిమైనింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏదైనా అవ్వచ్చు. వన్ ఈజ్ కంపల్సరీ ఈ పవర్ 80 ఫంక్షన్ అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ ఫంక్షన్. సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనకు టూ ఫంక్షన్ sin 80 ఇంటూ ఈ పవర్ 80, ఈ పవర్ 80 ఇంటూ టీ స్క్వేర్, ఈ పవర్ 80 ఇంటూ 2, ఈ పవర్ 80 ఇంటూ sin h80, ఈ పవర్ 80 ఇంటూ cos 80, ఎనీ ఫంక్షన్, one function is e power 80 or e power minus 80. Exponential is one function and a remaining function is any value. Then we identify the type of problems are in first shifting problems. అటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నిటిని కూడా మనం ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కింద ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. సో ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే e power minus t into cos square t. సో e power minus t అనేది cos square t కి మల్టిపుల్ లో ఉంది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్. సో ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ లో ఏం చేయాలి? e power minus 80, ఫస్ట్ omit the e power minus 80. First you calculate L of cos square t. So it is not possible the second order trigonometry functions are of Laplace transform. So first we convert the cos square t in the first order function of the trigonometry function. So we know that cos square t is 1 plus cos 2t by 2. So applying the linearity property, ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్టింగ్ ఐ టోల్డ్, మీకు స్టార్టింగ్ లో చెప్పాను లీనియారిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ అప్లై చేయకుండా ఏ ప్రాబ్లం చేయలేము, లీనియారిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ బాగా నేర్చుకోమని చెప్పాను. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే, ఎల్ ఆఫ్ 1 అండ్ ఎల్ ఆఫ్ cos 2t. We know that 1 by 2 into L of 1 is 1 by s and L of cos 2t equal to s by s square plus a square, that equal to 4. So here 2 is available, the constant 2 is available in the outside, that's why we find out the LCM. So finding the LCM of right hand side, because we cancel the 2, taking LCM of right hand side, that equal to 1 by 2 into s into s square plus 4. So s square plus 4 plus s square. S square plus s square, 2s square, 2 common in. 2 common is the 2s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4. So 2 to cancel. This is the f bar of s. It is f bar of s. How to get L of cos square t is getting the value is s square plus 2 by s into s square plus. L of cos square t అప్లై చేయకొచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ఎంత మనకి s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4. ఇప్పుడు మనం టోటల్ అప్లై చేద్దాం. టోటల్ మీన్స్ L of e power minus t into cos square t. So we getting okay. First L of 1 by s దీనికి LCM ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఏం రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి s tends to s ఇక్కడ మైనస్ t ఉంది కాబట్టి s plus 1. So s tends to s plus 1. The getting result మీరు LCM ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసైనా రీప్లేస్ చేయండి, LCM ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయకముందైనా రీప్లేస్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే LCM ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయకుండా రీప్లేస్ చేశాడు. సో ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఇక్కడ మనకి cos square t అంటే 1 by s కదా, 1 by s లో ఎంత పెడుతున్నారు చూడండి. ఓకే, హియర్ 1 by s ప్లేస్ లో 1 by s plus 1. అలాగే s ప్లేస్ లో ఇక్కడ s plus 1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ రీప్లేస్ చేసి ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేశాడు. ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి ఈ స్టెప్ లో మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అంటే 1 by s ఉంది. యాక్చువల్గా ఇది మన ప్రాబ్లం. ఈ 1 by s ప్లేస్ లో ఎంత రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి, 1 by s ప్లేస్ లో s plus 1 పెట్టాలి. అలాగే ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ s ప్లేస్ లో s plus 1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ పెట్టాలి. s ప్లేస్ లో s plus 1 దాని హోల్ స్క్వేర్ సింప్లిఫై అయితే ఇది. ఇంకొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రేపు మార్నింగ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. అదే నెక్స్ట్ మనకి హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ స్టిక్ చేసే కదా, ఈ నెక్స్ట్ మండేకి హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ చేయండి. నేను మీకు అసైన్మెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈరోజు ఈవినింగ్ పెడతాను. అసైన్మెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రెఫరెన్స్ బుక్స్ అవి మీరు నీట్గా రాసి సబ్మిషన్ డేట్ చెప్తారు, అప్పటికి సబ్మిట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, హోంవర్క్ జనరల్గా చేసుకోండి. అసైన్మెంట్ టైం ఇస్తారు. అసైన్మెంట్ మాత్రం A4 షీట్లో రాయండి. 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తాను. మీకు చెప్పిన టాపిక్స్ మీద కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా అవ్వాల్సినవి కూడా ఉన్నాయి. కొంచెం రెఫరెన్స్ చేసి అసైన్మెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయండి. అందరికి అందేలాగా చూడండి. ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్.